Hey baddies, welcome back to episode 3 of Wig Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to style a wig. We're going to do a cute little half up, half down. For this look, we're going to have 2 pieces in the front, so I'm going to part this section right here and braid it so that we can just set it aside for later. For the next step, we're going to section off the hair, and I'm going to be using a wax stick and a hot comb. Let's get into it. Before starting to section off your hair, make sure to put a band on just to make sure that your wig doesn't shift out of place. Now that we've completed the top part of the hair, let's focus on the front. We're going to take the band off and get to work. So this is the final look. Get into it. Yes, slayed that half up, half down, didn't I? Comment down below if you have any videos you'd like to see. See you guys next time. Bye.